Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's got everyone in the programming and data science world talking. We're talking about Python. This language has been a leader in the field for a long time. But here's the big question. Is Python still the king of data science? Or are there new languages ready to take its crown? Today we'll explore 5 points that are making some people wonder if Python is still the queen of data science. Python is great, but its problem? Performance. Compared to languages like C++ and Rust, Python is slower, and when you're dealing with massive amounts of data, speed is everything. Parallelism? This is where the GL or Global Interpreter lock in Python becomes a problem. It limits Python's ability to run multiple tasks smoothly at the same time. Simply put, this makes it a less efficient choice for applications that need large-scale processing. In the world of programming, languages like Julia and Rust are starting to turn heads. Julia, in particular, is laser-focused on speed, while Rust is known for its performance and security. Many are asking, are these the languages that will replace Python? With the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning in the cloud and on GPUs, Python is facing new challenges. Tools like R and Scala sometimes offer better solutions, especially in cloud environments. Python is fantastic for prototyping, but when you're building a large production system, weaknesses start to appear. Java and Scala, for example, are used more in production because of their ability to operate efficiently and securely. So the big question is it game over for Python? The truth is, not so fast. Python is still very important, but we have to be realistic. The world of programming is evolving, and the emergence of new languages gives us more opportunities and more effective tools. The question for you is, what do you think? Will you stick with Python, or do you think it's time for a change? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and let's hear your perspectives. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share the video with your techie friends. Stay tuned for more exciting explanations like this.